The students of Milliken Mills High School, Birds Canada, and Shadowland Theatre proudly present I Am a Bird.
I am a Canadian goose. I live in ponds, rivers, lakes, and grasslands. I am everywhere.
Don't worry about a thing.
I am a barn owl. I live in grasslands, deserts, agricultural fields, forests, and urban areas.
We are known as Canadian jays.
Hi, I'm a goose. I'm not just any goose, I'm a snow goose.
I'm the bright red bird that you see in the trees.
'Cause every little thing is gonna be alright.
I'm a bird who needs my voice heard.
Up this morning,
We live in your local ponds, lakes, and rivers all year round. You've probably seen me or another mallard duck around. Our family feels safe when there's an abundance of nature around us.
singing sweet songs.
I live in oak woodlands, but I can also be found in suburban gardens and deep forests.
This is my message to you.
Right now, I'm doing fine, but many of my fellow birds are in grave danger.
Nature provides the food that we need to survive.
Because human activity has caused lots of habitat loss, so it's becoming harder for me to find places to live.
We aren't seen as much as usual, but you still hear a call for help. I am a cardinal, a bird that is trying to ask for your help to do something for my family.
I really hope that people are going to stop polluting the air because it's harmful for us birds and in fact everyone.
'Cause every little thing is gonna be alright.
Human factors like climate change are destroying natural habitats and having an impact on bird populations. Something has to happen soon, or else even I may disappear.
I know that you mean no harm, but being mindful is key to our continued and shared coexistence on Earth, the only planet that we both have.
Pure and true, saying, this is my message to you.
A Build a Flock production.